Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this slouchy hat. I used an eye hook. The pattern is down below. I used medium worsted yarn, and if you like to go smaller, you can use a smaller hook, go down a hook size. Okay, so let's get started. This yarn is Big Twist Twinkle. It's a sparkle yarn and I got it from Joann Fabrics. Okay, to get started, you're going to work the magic circle and work a chain 3, slip stitch into it, and if this is your first time doing the magic circle, there's a link down below on how to do it, and you can also place your video in slow motion if this is too fast. You can work a chain 3, which counts as your first double crochet, then work 10 double crochet in the ring. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Complete until you have a total of 11, including the chain 3. You're going to pull it closed, slip stitch on top of that chain 3 to complete this round. Chain 3, and this round you're going to work 2 double crochet in each back loop around. So insert your hook in the back loop and then work 2 double crochet and then 2 double crochet in each stitch until you get to the beginning. Okay, you're going to slip stitch on top of the chain 3, and then you're going to chain 3 to start. This will count as your first double crochet, and this pattern I did with the back stitch, the back loop, but you don't have to. You can just do it in the regular stitches. It just gives it a ridge effect. And then you're going to work the 2 double crochet in the next, and then double crochet in the back loop in the next, and then work 2 double crochet. So the pattern is 1 and then 2, 1 and then 2 until you get to the beginning. This is just an increased round to make it bigger. And then slip stitch in the chain 3 again, and then you're going to slip stitch and chain 3 and then work a double crochet in each back loop around. There's no increases, and you will do this for 2 rounds total. This will give it the little bit of the droop slouch at the front, like the tip of the hat. Okay, you're just going to slip stitch again and then just repeat another round of double crochet in each back loop around until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into the chain 3, and then chain 3, double crochet in the back loop, and then work 2 double crochet in the next, and then work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then work 2 double crochet in the next. So it's going to be 1 in the next 2 and then 2 double crochet, and then you'll work that until you get to the beginning. So 1, 1 and then 2. Slip stitch on top of the chain 3, chain 3, double crochet, and the next 2 back loops. And then work 2 double crochet in the next. So it's going to be 1 in the next 3 and then 2 double crochet, and then you repeat that until you get to the beginning. So you have 1 and then 2 and then 3 and then 2 double crochet, chain slip stitch and then chain 3, and then double crochet in the next 3 back loops. And then work 2 double crochet. So you'll have 1 double crochet in the next 4 and then 2 double crochet. Slip stitch and then chain 3, work a double crochet in each stitch around for a total of 9 rounds. So for 9 rounds total, you'll work a double crochet in each back loop. Slip stitch and then chain 1, and then in 6 rounds you're going to work 6 single crochet. You're on round 18 now, so 6 rounds of just single crochet for the brim that goes right at the last part of the hat. So slip stitch, and for round 2 of the total of 6 rounds you're going to chain 1 and just single crochet, and then you'll have 4 more rounds of single crochet after this. Okay, you're going to slip stitch and fasten off, and then just weave in your ends with a yarn needle, and then your hat is complete. This is what it looks like when it's finished. I hope you enjoyed. The pattern is down below, and thank you for watching.